Welcome back. This is part 2 of how to make a professional link shortener website. In this video, I am going to show you how to give your boring website a fresh and attractive look. A good looking and easy to understand design grabs attention and encourage user to actually use your site. First, I will explain how you can make your website more customizable. To do that, you need to read carefully and stay focused. Why? Because when you are good at reading and focusing, you will start noticing all the customization options by yourself. No need to watch endless tutorials. As you can see, all customization options are right here. Just use those options and customize everything the way you want. Alright, now let's talk about using theme plugin to give your site a better look. First, you will need a theme plugin. So, you will need a theme plugin for this. We offer a wide variety of theme plugins. If you are interested in any, feel free to email us. So, now we are going to install the theme plugin. Our next step is go to your hosting dashboard. And open your website or file manager. Next, just click on the public HTML folder. Once the upload is complete, just extract the zip file. And make sure all the file are right here. Okay, now go to your website and see if everything is working correctly. Theme plugin is working correctly. If you want to customize this website and give a better look, just edit those things. We're gonna talk about customization WP Safelink our next video, part 3. Part 3 video should be delay. Thank you guys watching this video. We're gonna end this video in this moment.